the bride, all dressed in white. Hey lovelies, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. That's the song you're going to be hearing or singing today because we're making this absolutely delicious Marry Me chicken pasta. I just want to say thank you guys for all your love and support that you've been showing me in my videos so far. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Show me some love as I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, okay? Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and talk to me in the comment section. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 3 large pieces of chicken breasts, and I'm just going to be slicing those in 2 equal halves, which gives me a total of 6. And then I'm going to get a rolling pin that I have here to teach these chicken breasts a lesson, okay? We're going to beat them until they're, okay, not beat, that's just a little bit harsh, but we're just going to show them a lesson and get them nice and thinned out a bit, and then we're gonna season them. I got some Italian seasoning there, adobe, paprika, tunies, garlic powder, you know the drill. Alright, you can use whatever seasonings you have in your cupboard or your pantry that you like to use, as long as it's good on chicken, poultry, whatever. Alright, we're just gonna season that up nice and rub it all in. And as usual, whatever we do to one side, we do it to the other. Same equal love and affection, okay? Equal rights and justice. Let's go. Now we're gonna put some olive oil in our heated cast iron pot. And that flour there is already seasoned with some paprika, garlic powder, and so on. Pretty much the same seasons that we put on our chicken. And we're just going to lightly dab our chicken pieces in that to get a dust of flour on them. And then we're going to put them in our hot oil to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright. And once they're nice and golden and looking pretty like that, you're going to flip them on the other side. And remember, I have 6 of these pieces, so I'm going to just do the other 3. You take them out once they look like that. Now I have some vegetables that I've cut up here, some mushrooms, some sun-dried tomatoes, onion, garlic, green onions, and we're just going to get those all fried up and fragrant. Once you have sauteed these for a while, we're going to be going in next with our heavy cream. And I used 1.5 to 2 cups of that. You could use 1.5, but I used 2 just because I wanted to have some extra sauce for the pasta. We give that a nice stir. And then we're also going to add some more seasonings and flavors to this. Some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, some salt. Next, we're going to add in some freshly washed spinach. And once it's looking like that, we're going to add about 2 handfuls of parmesan cheese. 2 to 3 handfuls, that is. I love cheese, so yeah. Next, we're going to be adding some broth. You could use chicken broth, beef broth, vegetable broth. I only had beef, so that's what I used in mine. Ain't nothing bad is gonna happen. And then I'll add in some parsley, making that extra pretty and some extra flavor, and some dried red pepper flakes to give that kick of heat and pretty color as well. And then to that, now that we have our sauce, we're just going to add our chicken breast back into that mixture and get it soaking up in some of that good sauce. Look at that. Yes, I think I'm drooling. I am drooling. Whoo! That looks good. And we're just going to try to get some sauce on the top of those chickens. And that's how it's looking, you guys. It was so beautiful. The aroma from this pot was just doing the most. Okay, and now it's time to plate the food. The moment we've been waiting for. As I told you before, I added some sauce. I made some extra sauce to put on my pasta because ain't nobody about to eat dry pasta around here. And here she comes, that beautiful piece of chicken. And we're just going to add some sauce on that. Look at her glow. Sprinkle some extra Parmesan cheese and parsley on the top, just for garnishing and making things extra pretty and tasty. And there you have it, our beautiful Marry Me chicken pasta. Alright guys, you know what time it is, okay? This is time for me to eat this Marry Me chicken, okay? Time to reap the fruits of my labor, okay? I've worked hard on this, and let me tell you, I outdid myself, okay? It has no reason being this good. This chicken, thank God I'm already married, because, yeah, my husband about to say, I'm so glad I married you, okay? Let's dig in, guys. I got me a mushroom here. Let me get a piece of that chicken. And some fettuccine, which doesn't want to come up on the fork. Wow, guys, so sorry. This is amazing. I did that. I really did that. It was really good. The chicken is well seasoned, okay? Tender, juicy. All the flavors are shining through. They're popping out. Like nothing is hidden in this Marry Me chicken. Because you know, when you're getting married, you have to be honest. Alright? You need to be honest about everything. And all the seasons in here are being very honest right now. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious food to come. Until next time, you take care, and I love you. God bless.